Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this model off-duty makeup look. I actually was searching for the name of this hairstyle I really liked. Not this one. And I thought this perfectly describes this makeup look because it's not quite no makeup, but it's not really a full glam. So I have been really loving this makeup look. I'm excited to share it with you guys today. Also, today's video is sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics. So we're going to be using all e.l.f. products for today's video, which is amazing because all of e.l.f. products are super high quality and super affordable, which we love. Before we jump into the video, I wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss when I upload a new video. And let's get started. Okay, so I always like to start out with a moisturizing primer. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. Next, we are going to go in with the Poreless Putty Primer. This has definitely become one of my favorite primers just because it helps smooth out the texture so much on my skin. So I like to take a little bit of it and just spread it on the areas that I have extra texture showing. And this really makes a difference in the appearance of my skin. It makes it just look so much smoother. Best thing about this primer, obviously, and all e.l.f. products actually, is that it's so affordable. Like, I like this better than most of my really expensive smoothing primers. So okay, so I like my skin to look like it's skin for this look. Normally if I'm doing full glam, I like a full coverage foundation, but for this, like, I actually just like using a powder. So next you're gonna want to use, you can either use like a powder or a CC cream, but I just put something really lightly all over the whole face just to even it out a little bit. But I just love this because it's just so much quicker than doing the full shebang. First, I'm going to take some of this blush right here actually. And this powder is a little bit light for me. And then to bronze, I'm actually taking this light medium contour palette, and I'm going to just lightly contour and warm up the whole face with this. So for my brows, I feel like I can manipulate them in so many different ways and make them do so many different things. But when I'm doing this look, I like to actually just basically leave them in their most natural state, like the actual shape that they're in, without really manipulating them, like brushing them up or like, you know, super exaggerating them. And it's just so much quicker that way. So I'm going to take the Instant Brow Pencil in the color Taupe, and I'm just gonna fill in the brows really lightly, nothing crazy. I had my microblading done a couple years ago, and hello itch. It's fading a little bit, but I kind of use it as a guide when I'm filling in my brows. Like, you can see this one over here, like I just need to fill in right there basically. So that's it. Normally, like, you know, I brought the tail down. Normally I could like pull it all the way out, up, all sorts of crazy stuff. But when I'm doing this look, it's just really easy. Okay, we're in the home stretch, which is great. Ain't nobody got time. Okay, so we're going to be using the 16-Hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish. This is in the color Medium Sand. I always like plan on, like, when I'm filming, like painting this on in an aesthetically pleasing way, and then it looks like this. I'm going to be taking the concealer sponge. So I like to bring it like out up where my like wing liner would be. And I also like to get it in the tear duct area of the eyes. Like I feel like when that inside part of the eye is also brightened, it just is really flattering to the whole face. And then also I like to add a little bit here down the center of the nose. The other day someone like DM'd me, like basically like yelling at me to stop contouring my nose so much, even though I had just gotten over saying how like the filters on Instagram change my face so much and I don't look like that. I mean, yeah, I've been, you know, I'm no stranger to a heavy contour, but okay, so for the eyes, I'm going to use this little eyeshadow palette. How cute is this? And how perfect is this for travel if you just want a little bit of eyeshadow, but you don't want to bring like a huge palette? Something keeps making me sneeze. Now I'm also going to be using the Smoky Eye brush kit from e.l.f., of course. Now I have been loving doing this lately because it just makes things so fast. Basically, I just take the eyeshadow and I use it to just make a little wing. I love using eyeshadow as a wing now because it's just so forgiving. If you make a mistake, you can really just blend it out and use the brush and it kind of disappears, or you can alter the shape of it really quickly. So I'm also going to take this light medium contour palette that we were using earlier, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the crease. And I'm going to blend it into my little liner over there because I want everything really soft. I don't want anything super defined. You know what? And while we're at it, I was gonna wait to contour the nose. But since I'm already using the contour shadows on the lid, we might as well do the nose. So I like to start on the tip of the nose. And then I'm going to highlight the tip of the nose with this Moonlight Pearls highlighter. I'm just gonna take my pinky. It's not a mirror. And I did it again, wow. Just gonna add a little bit right here. All right, sorry I'm kind of jumping around. But let's go back to the eyes. I'm gonna add that same highlighter to the tear duct areas of the eyes. Okay, so next step is to curl the lashes. And I actually don't rush this step because it's very important, especially since we're not doing too much boldness on the eyes. I really take my time when I'm curling my lashes. Okay, so next I want to take the No Budge retractable liner. This is in the color Coffee, and I'm just going to add it very closely to the base of the lash line where we added the shadow. Okay, so next we're gonna add some mascara. This is where I feel like curling the lashes comes in really important because it helps to just open up the eyes. And I don't put any on the bottom lid for this look, just because I like to, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it closes the eye off when I'm not wearing eyeliner, and I do that for me personally, for my eye shape. After spending 15 minutes on that, you see I have like 3 eyelashes. I'm just gonna spoolie off the little mascara that's smudged right there. All right, so Now, this is like probably my favorite part. I'm gonna take these little corner lashes that I cut myself. These little guys. You can do this by taking any pair of lash and then cutting them from the inside corner so that they go up. So I just like to add these to the outside of the eye, and I place them a little bit up to lengthen and lift the eye. What the fuck? That looks stupid. What happened? I literally wore these yesterday. Oh my god. Ow. Let's try this side before giving up on these, deciding to make a new pair. Okay, this one looks a little better. Okay, let's go ahead and give this another chance. Okay, that's much better. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of blush to the apples of the cheeks. This is the primer infused blush in the color Always Punchy. I really like this color. I've been wearing it like basically every time I do my makeup. And just adding a little bit right there. Okay, so let's line the lips a little bit. This is from the Retro Paradise collection from e.l.f. This is the medium lip liner. There was like 3 nudes, so this one was the medium. I think I'm gonna go back in with the gloss from the Retro Paradise collection because I really like this one. Alright you guys, so this was the whole tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed this look because it's super easy, super quick, and everything that we used here today is super affordable. That's why I love e.l.f. because it's high quality, affordable products, all 100% vegan and cruelty free as well. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, all of that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.